OpenAI's recent clarification marks a pivotal moment in how the company navigates the intersection of deep AI infrastructure spending, government policy, and public perception, as its chief financial officer's remarks about seeking a federal backstop for massive chip and data center investments ignited concern about taxpayer-funded guarantees for a private tech firm, prompting CEO Sam Altman to step in and firmly state that OpenAI has not requested and does not want government loan guarantees for its data center build-out and infrastructure spending, adding that the firm believes taxpayers should not be on the hook for failed private sector bets, and if OpenAI does get it wrong, the consequences should rest with the company rather than government bailout mechanisms. This statement comes as OpenAI plans to commit roughly $1.4 trillion over the next 8 years to its AI infrastructure expansion, while aiming to finish this year with an annualized revenue run rate above $20 billion and eyeing growth into the hundreds of billions by 2030. And as analysts, investors, and policymakers watch closely how the AI infrastructure boom is financed and whether large-scale private sector plans may require public sector support, meaning this clarification is not just corporate PR but a signal of how OpenAI intends to position itself as a self-financing engine of AI development rather than a firm leaning on federal backup. And it underscores the broader debate over how far public policy should be involved in private tech infrastructure, especially in strategic areas like artificial intelligence, with Altman emphasizing that governments should set the playing field but not underwrite the players, and that OpenAI's ambitions, from enterprise solutions to robotics and consumer devices, will require evolving business models, increased equity or debt financing, and perhaps direct sales of computing capacity, all while acknowledging that the scale of compute demand, chip supply constraints, and infrastructure costs are enormous and cannot rely on unlimited taxpayer support, and that public confidence in AI firms may depend as much on financial discipline and transparency as on technological breakthroughs, which makes this moment a turning point in how AI companies publicly engage with public sector expectations, investor scrutiny, and media coverage about whether AI winners will emerge from private innovation alone or with some degree of government safety net. The answer OpenAI is putting forward is clearly the former.